Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's both intriguing and perhaps a bit controversial: how to make someone miss you using the principles of dark psychology. Now, before we proceed, I want to emphasize the importance of using this knowledge ethically and responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility, right? So, what exactly is dark psychology? It's the study of the human mind, focusing on manipulation, persuasion, and influence. And while some may associate it with negative connotations, understanding these principles can also help you navigate social dynamics more effectively. So let's get into it. How can you make someone miss you using dark psychology? Well, here are some tactics you can try. First up, create an emotional vacuum. This means gradually reducing your presence in someone's life. Maybe you start by being a little less available, replying to messages a bit slower, or not always being the one to initiate contact. By creating this void, you make them crave your presence more. But remember, it's essential to strike a balance. You don't want to completely disappear or seem disinterested. The goal is to make them miss you, not forget about you altogether. Next, trigger emotional responses. Humans are wired to remember experiences that evoke strong emotions. So, create memorable moments with that person. It could be something as simple as sharing a heartfelt story or going on an adventure together. By associating strong emotions with your presence, you ensure that they'll think about you even when you're not around. Lastly, leverage the Zeigarnik effect. This psychological phenomenon states that people remember uncompleted or interrupted tasks more than completed ones. So, leave things unfinished. Maybe you start telling them an exciting story but don't finish it, or you leave a conversation on a cliffhanger. This creates an itch in their mind that can only be scratched by thinking about you. And there you have it, folks. 3 powerful tactics to make someone miss you using the principles of dark psychology. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these techniques ethically and with the best intentions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on psychology, self-improvement, and everything in between. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.